Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. I am located in Zone 4, close to the Twin Cities metro area. I have more than 30 years of practical gardening experience to share with you. Whether it's vegetables from garden to table, or beautiful flowers in beds and containers, you are in the right place. Consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my great content. I would love to have you tag along as I continue to develop my 2-acre property. We have lots of fun projects coming up this year. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.